Here's an easy way to use our handy printable ruler to measure the dimensions of irregularly shaped items like bottles and tubs. First, print out our printable-ruler.pdf file linked to below. Make sure the ruler is printed in 1:1, 100% size and proportions by ensuring both rotate and center and page scaling options are switched off. To do this, when you click on print, a dialog box will open in Adobe Reader. Under page scaling, scroll down, select actual size or none. Then click next to auto rotate and center. Make sure that box is unchecked. Then take your printed sheet and simply cut your handy ruler out. Then take the item you'll be measuring, in this case a shampoo bottle, and wrap the ruler around the item at the point where you want to measure and where the ends overlap is your final measurement. In this case it's 197 millimeters. Thanks for watching.